Disabling two-factor authentication on Outlook can help simplify your login process. Follow these steps to turn off this security feature. Step 1. Sign into your Microsoft account. Go to the Microsoft account sign-in page and enter your credentials to access your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, find the Security section in the account dashboard. Click on it to access your security settings. Step 3. Manage two-factor authentication. Look for the option labeled Two-Step Verification or Two-Factor Authentication. Click on this option to view your current settings. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. You should see an option to turn off or disable two-factor authentication. Click on this option and follow any prompts to confirm your decision. Step 5. Review your security settings. After disabling two-factor authentication, review your security settings to ensure your account remains secure. Consider updating your password or enabling other security features if needed. By following these steps, you can successfully disable two-factor authentication on your Outlook account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and other protective measures.